Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this pepper soup, goat meat pepper soup. I'll be showing you how I made it, how quick and easy it is to make this pepper soup. You could pair this with yam. I have yam here. I have boiled plantain. You could also pair this with rice if you want. Anything you want, yam, potato, plantain, rice, it will work. So I'll be showing you how I did this. Please subscribe, share, and like my video. Thank you for my subscribers who still come back to watch. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Subscribe, 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 share, share, share. If you have any questions, leave your questions in the comments. I'll answer. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, share. Okay, this is goat's meat, sliced small. I made them in small pieces. Then this is my seasoning: salt, pepper, crayfish, scent leaves. I'll slice this ones. I'll thinly slice them. Those Caesar leaf I'll also slice thinly, but the lemongrass, this is lemongrass, you drop it in this way. Okay, so now I'm going to add the meat into the pot, half filled with water. Then I add in my pepper. I like the heat, I like pepper. So you see the way I'm doing mine is quite different because it works for me this way. I add all my ingredients to the pot at once, then I cook it all together. Since I'm using meat, but if you're using fresh fish, I think this method won't work because the fish will cook real fast. So this I'm gonna cook for about 10 minutes. And you can taste the meat. When the meat is cooked, you know your pepper soup is ready. And lastly, our main ingredients, the pepper soup spice, blended. You just go to the store, you see the already blended one is just perfect to use them. This is our finished pepper soup, ready for eating and serving. So I'm going to serve this in my plate now. You don't eat the lemongrass, please. You take it out. Take it out. So, serving this into my plate to eat. If you're someone who likes lots of water in your pepper soup, like you like the soup, this is good. I like the soup. I like to drink the soup. It's good for our health. It's good for the body in this period of virus here and there. I think this is good for our body. So if you don't like so much soup, and you don't like the soup, reduce the water. Reduce the content so you have just meat. But I like to drink this soup, that's why I do mine this way. So that's